Hi everyone, today we're going to be testing two triangles to see if they are right angle triangles. And we're going to go ahead and do that using Pythagoras. So first of all, anytime you're doing a Pythagoras question, you really need to make sure that you're writing your formula. No matter whether you're doing it as practice in your book or whether you're doing it in the exam, it's a really good habit to get into. Write them in your book. Okay, so our formula is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Great. So this is the formula I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be putting in these three values, but I need to know which one goes where. I need to start by labeling my sides. So the longer side is this 9 down here, so that's going to be my hypotenuse. I don't have a right angle symbol in here because that's what I'm trying to find. Is it a right angle or not? So I'm just going to know by the fact that this is the biggest number. So that's my long side, that's my hypotenuse. Okay, and then this one, I don't know, we'll make this one A, and then this one can be B, but those two are interchangeable. They can be in either spot. So now I'm going to put those numbers into my formula. So C is 9 squared is equal to 7 squared plus 6 squared. Okay, now I'm going to square those numbers. So 9 nines are 81, so it's 81 on the left-hand side there, and then 7 squared is 49, and 6 squared is 36. Okay, so 81. Now I'm going to add these two numbers together. So 49 plus 36 gives me 85. Oh, okay. It says 81 is equal to 85. That doesn't make any sense. Therefore, this is not a right angle triangle. So I'm going to put a line through there to say no, and I'm going to write my 3 dots, meaning therefore not right angled. There we go, we've solved that question. Now let's test this one over here. So again, I'm going to be using my formula, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. I'm going to label my picture, so this is going to be C. Let's make this one over here A, and then this one can be B. So now I'm going to fill in my formula using these values. So 5 squared is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared. All right, so 5 5s are 25. 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite it again underneath, and I'm going to add together these two values. So 16 plus 9 gives me 25. Ooh, okay, it does. 25 does equal 25, therefore, yes, it's right angled. Which means that this triangle does need to have a little right angle symbol in there, whereas this one is not a right angle triangle, so it doesn't need to have that symbol. Great, thanks for watching.